Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Babydoge coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the price changes occurred in the Babydoge coin. So guys, before starting this video, please click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos. The current price of the Babydoge coin in the market is 0.00001626 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Babydoge coin in the market. At the market, it's still the price is very low, not a high. Other side, if you look the changes occurred in the Babydoge coin, so the price changes is negative. But less negative, guys. Don't lose hope. Don't worry. 0.52% the price decrease in the last 24 hours. Other side, if we talk about the price change, so now guys, you can see here from the price chart, it's clear that now absolutely when a lot of people see this price chart, so they completely lose hope. They understand that now we are going in the wrong, we are going in the loss. But guys, no, that's not necessary. That always falls. No, my friends, never. Absolutely, it's sometimes they have to take a pump, but gradually now slowly the price of the Babydoge coin will start increasing. And you can see here, as I told you, that a lot of people are very worrying about Babydoge coin and they decide to sell. You can see the trading volume is in decreasing day by day. But guys, don't decide to sell, my friends. Don't do this mistake. Anyways, now the trading volume is decreased, but I recommend for all of you that please hold to the last of August. Absolutely, at the last of August, they will give you profit, not loss. My friends, possibility that after 20 August, the price starts jumping, and possibility that the price taken a quick jump, huge pump. So we can't say about the future of cryptocurrencies market. Cryptocurrencies changes life in a second, in a minutes. So you have to just patience, guys. You have to just wait for a long time. Anyways, what you think about Babydoge coin, also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates.